Hey everyone, back again for another session of law in a way that folks can understand it. We're going to be talking about DUI again today. A question that we get a lot from clients is, I'm entering a plea to DUI, or I'm being sentenced after a trial to DUI, and I've been told that I'm going to have my driver's license revoked by the judge. Well, that's true. Under Florida law, for a first-time offense DUI, if you're convicted, the judge has to revoke your license for anywhere from 6 months to 12 months. Obviously, 6 months is better, and that's what we strive to get for our clients if this is the situation we find ourselves in. But what happens? They take your driver's license away in court. It's been revoked, so in theory, you can't drive out of the courthouse. Are you going to be able to get your hardship license back? The answer for a first-time offender is most likely yes. Now, unfortunately, if you've had a prior DUI in your history, DUI conviction, you're not going to be eligible for a hardship license under Florida law. But we're going to focus today on that first offender situation. So if I'm a first offender, I go to court, either enter a plea and I'm sentenced, or I go to sentencing after a trial, and the judge orders my driver's license revoked for, let's just say, 6 months. So yes, technically speaking, when you walk out of court, you can't drive a car. But don't worry. Again, you've never had a prior DUI, you had a valid business purposes license before you entered your plea. We're going to be able to get the judge to sign an order that we've prepared that's been approved by the Bureau of Administrative Review. It's called an order of reinstatement. We have the judge sign off on that in court, and then we're going to take that piece of paper, that order from the judge, as well as a copy of the clerk's worksheet showing the terms of your plea, and we're going to send that information over to the Bureau of Administrative Review. In that email that we send to them with those documents, we'll indicate to them that before you entered your plea today, or you were sentenced today, that you had a valid license, and we're asking for a temporary permit be issued while you wait for your actual hearing qualifying you for a hardship license. The reason we have to do the temporary order is because it does take a week or two for the court records to be uploaded to Tallahassee and for them to catch up with your driver's license. So you really can't go in and request a hardship license hearing right away because the DMV will not have a record of the suspension in their system yet. So that's why we've got this temporary permit that's usually good for about 45 days. And that's going to give you the ability, number one, to drive during the time that you're waiting for your actual hearing for hardship qualification. And during that time, once you keep checking your records on the internet, and we'll give you that address to check. And once you see that court revocation has popped up, at that point, then you'll submit the application for a hardship hearing that we will provide to you. The hardship hearing is going to be real quick and easy over the phone, not much to it. And at that point, they'll approve you and you'll go back and get another physical copy of your driver's license like you did the first time around if you watched our video on what happens with your license after you get arrested. So anyways, again, it's nice to have a lawyer involved in this process to make the communication easy. We know who to talk to. We know what information and documents we need to get to them. So if you have questions about that, what's going to happen to my license if I'm found guilty of DUI, please give our office a call. We'll go through all of it with you. We can get you the forms that you're going to need if you decide you want to do it on your own. But either way, we're here. We're happy to talk. So give us a ring if you have any questions about getting your license back after a DUI conviction. Thanks.